Hello students and welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall discuss the types of prepositions. Now, the very word preposition means pre and position. It has got two parts, pre and position. So, pre means before, and where do we have to position this is called preposition. Prepositions are words. What are they? They are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. Now, as you know, students, in a sentence there are many words, and words can be your nouns, pronouns, or phrases. Okay, now prepositions are those words which will link these nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence to show relationships in terms of place, time, direction, or manner. So there are four prepositions. One is preposition of place, second preposition of time, third preposition of direction, and preposition of manner. Now, what are the basis on which these relationships are shown? That preposition will show how a word, that means a noun or a pronoun or a phrase, is linked to other words in a sentence, depending whether we are talking about place or time or direction or manner. And preposition will be placed accordingly. Preposition, positioning it before a noun, pronoun, or phrase. Okay, so let us first understand what is preposition of place and how do we use it. Preposition of place indicates the position. What does it indicate? The position or location of something in relation to another object, which answers the question where. Okay, so this is important. Preposition of place indicates the position or location of something. Okay, there has to be some object about whose position we are questioning with the questioning word where. So, the book is in the drawer. Now, prepositions are always linked with two things. So, in this sentence, the book is one thing and the drawer is another thing. Okay, now what is the relation to the book and the drawer is what we have to find out. The book is in the drawer. How are we relating this? With using in as a preposition of place. Okay, so the book is in the drawer. Next is on. She placed the vase on the table. First, identify the two objects over here which we have to discuss because we know preposition links two things. It will link a noun or a pronoun or a phrase. So, she placed the vase on the table. So, this is a discussion between the vase and the table with respect to the place. The place is the table, object is the vase. She placed the vase on the table. At is another preposition of place. He is waiting at the bus stop. Whom are we discussing? We are discussing the pronoun he and the bus stop. And there is a discussion about place. He is waiting at the bus stop. So we use he and bus stop are related by the preposition of place at. Next, we will discuss preposition of time. Now, preposition of time indicates when something happens. This is asking the question when something happens, showing relationships in terms of timing or in terms of duration. Like the project is due in December. What are we talking about? We are talking about project and there is a time which is your duration December. Okay. Now project and December are related by the format of time. Therefore, we use the preposition in the form of time, preposition of time. But in the first thing, see over here, the book is in the drawer. Why are we using in as preposition of place here? Because we are discussing two objects here with respect to place. That is, where is the book placed? The book is placed in the drawer. When is the project due? The project is due in December. So this is a preposition of time and this was a preposition of place. The book is in the drawer. Preposition of place. The project is due in December. With preposition of time. When you ask when, it is preposition of time. When you ask where, it is preposition of place. Next, her birthday is on Friday. What are you asking? You are asking when is her birthday. Her birthday is on Friday. So this is preposition of time. She placed the vase on the table. Where did she place the vase? On the table. So these are the kind of questions you need to ask before writing preposition of place or preposition of time. At. The show starts at 7 p.m. When does the show start? The show starts at 7 p.m. Now, he is waiting at the bus stop. We are questioning where is he waiting? He is waiting at the bus stop. We are questioning the place or position or location of him with respect to the bus stop. Then it is used, we use the preposition at as a preposition of place. But when we use when does the show start as at being the preposition, then this becomes preposition of time. Because see, December, Friday, 7 p.m., these are all your prepositions of time. They tell you some timing or duration. December is a month, Friday is a day, 7 p.m. is a time. So these three things are all telling you about the preposition of time with respect to your duration or timing. But drawer, table, bus stop, these are all telling you the position or the location of something with respect to the other words in the sentence. This is how you will identify whether there is a place or whether there is a timing or a duration mentioned. Next, we will go over to preposition of direction. Directional prepositions describe movement. Okay, what do they describe? Movement. How? Either towards, away, or across something, showing where something or someone is moving. So when there is a preposition of direction question, you will describe movement either towards. Towards means going towards the object. Either describing movement away. Away means going far from the object. Or across something means crossing over. Okay. So based on preposition of direction, we use the first preposition to. He walked to the store. That means we are discussing his position with respect to the store. Therefore, he walked to the store. He is walking to the store. He walked to the store. Towards. That means she looked towards the horizon. She is looking in a particular direction. Okay. Therefore, she looked towards the horizon. Into. The bird flew into the room. This is describing movement inside the room. The bird flew into the room. Okay. Across the swam. They swam across the lake. Now, this is showing us that the position of their swimming is across the whole lake. So they swam across the lake. Next is preposition of manner. Prepositions of manner describe how or in what way something is done, providing insight into the manner or method of an action. By. She traveled by train. How did she travel? She traveled by train. He painted the wall with a brush. How did he paint the wall? He painted the wall with a brush. He sings like a professional. How does he sing? He sings like a professional. Next. She works as a teacher. She works as a teacher. Now, these four prepositions by, with, like, and as. These four prepositions of manner describe how or in what way something is done. The main word over here is how. Okay, how something is done or in what way something is done. How did she travel? She traveled by train. How did he paint the brush? He painted the brush. How did he paint the wall? He painted the wall with a brush. How does he sing? He sings like a professional. How does she work? She works as a teacher. Okay. Now, this is your preposition of manner. So these are the four types of prepositions which we have discussed. After this, we shall do a worksheet based on this understanding. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Go through my channel's playlist for more such concept related videos. Thank you students and all the best.